everyone! So these are my small Walgreens haul for this week, August 2 to August 8 of 2020. So I just pick up some items because I don't have much points or registered reward to use. I only have 34,920 points or equivalent to $34. And I just pick up first the items that have high points so that I can roll it in the second transaction. So first I pick up the Olay Body Wash. So the Olay Body Wash and Old Spice, they are on sale for 2 for $12, and when you buy 4, you will get 10,000 points or equivalent to $10. So I pick up the Fresh Outlast White Strawberry and Mint. And the other one is Ultra Moisture Shea Butter. And this is my note for that. So buy 4 and get 10,000 points. So the 4 Olay are $24. And then I use the 2 Olay Body Wash manufacturing coupon from July 26. So it's $1 each. So the 2 are $2, and I use also the $2 digital coupon for Olay Body Wash. So the total coupons that I use are $4. So I pay $20, and then I get back 10,000 points or equivalent to $10, making it $10 for 4 Olay Body Wash or $2.50 each. So it's a nice deal for body wash. And then I pick up the Crest 3D White toothpaste. It's still on sale. So the Crest toothpaste is $3.99, and when you buy 2, you will get $4 register reward. So the 2 are $7.98, and then I use the $2 manufacturing coupon from July 26 P&G Inserts. So the 2 are $4. So I paid $3.98, and then I get back $4 register reward, making it free. So this is the register reward that I got from the Crest toothpaste. And this is my receipt. So all the coupons came out. So my subtotal is $23.98 and tax of $1.20. So the total are $25.18, and then I redeem 20,000 points or $20. So I paid $5.18 for the first transaction. So my out of pocket is $5.18. And then my bonus point is 10,000 for the Olay, because I got $4 register reward for Crest. So I got $14 in total in the first transaction. And then I used the points that I got from Olay to the second transaction. So in the second transaction, I pick up also the items that have register reward and points. So in a second transaction, I pick up the Oral-B toothbrush. So it's on sale also for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you will get $4 register reward. So I just mixed it. The other one is soft and the other one is medium. So this is my note for that. It's $3.99, so the 2 are $7.98, and then I use the $2 Oral-B toothbrush manufacturing coupon from July 26 P&G Insert. So the 2 are equivalent to $4. So my subtotal are $3.98, and then I get back $4 register reward, making it free. So I used the $4 register reward in Arizona green tea. We bought Arizona green tea before we head home. That's why I don't have in here. And then I got also the Purex 4-in-1. So it's on sale also for $2.99. So I pick up the 4-in-1 packs. So buy 2 and you will get 4,000 points or equivalent to $4. So the 2 are $5.98. And then I only have one coupon. It's $1. So I paid $4.98 and then I get back 4,000 points or $4, making it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. So it's a very nice deal for 4-in-1 Purex. I used my 50 cents coupon last week. That's why I paid a little amount of money on that. And then I pick up the Soft Soap Body Wash. So this is shea and almond oil. They are very low in Soft Soap Body Wash. That's why I just pick up this scent. So it's $4.99. So the 2 are $9.98. And this is my note for that. So the 2 are $9.98, and then I use the 75 cents printable coupon that I print out in softsoapbodywash.com. So the 2 are $1.50. So I paid $8.48, and then I get back 5,000 points or equivalent to $5, making it $3.48 or $1.74 each. So less than $2 is a nice deal. And then I pick up also the Colgate Optic White. So this is 119 grams. And it's on sale also for $2.99. This is my note. So buy 2 and you will get $4 register reward. So the 2 are $5.98, and then I use $1 printable coupon from Colgate.com. So it's equivalent to $2. So I paid $3.98, and then I get back $4 register reward, making it free. So this is the register reward that I got from Colgate. And then I pick up also the Arm & Hammer. It's on sale for $2.99 and it's 50 ounce. So I pick up 2. And then I use the Arm & Hammer Smart Source Insert. It's $1. And I also use a digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer that I clip in my Walgreens app. So I paid $3.98 or $1.99 each. So this is my receipt for that. And then all the coupons. All the coupons came out, and I used 1 register reward for that. $2 register reward. So my subtotal is $23.40, and the sales tax is $1.05. So my total are $24.45, and then I redeem 20,000 points or $20. So the $10 are from the Olay Body Wash, and I use the remaining points. So I paid $4.45 out of pocket in my second transaction. And then I got also the points, 9,000 points. The 5,000 points is from Soft Soap Body Wash. And then the 4,000 points is from Purex. And then this is my registered reward for Colgate. And then the registered reward for the Oral-B toothbrush, we used that when we bought the Arizona green tea. Sorry for that. And then I got some Walgreens coupons. This one is for the Good Night Pampers, and this one is for the cereal. And then I got also another spend booster, but it's very rare that I use the spend booster because it's very confusing for me, and sometimes I cannot plan pretty well my spend booster. So the total out of pocket from first and second is $9.63 including the tax. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.